guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a flat twist hairstyle using my homemade styling cream. Okay, so I made this styling cream using 3 products. I'm going to be putting this product to the test. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. So I cut my hair and I've been loving the short hairstyle. So this is the hair. I cut it by myself. Don't judge me. I did the cutting myself. So this is it. It's the back. Let me brush it out first. I don't like the way it's looking. Here we have it. I think I did really good cutting the hair myself. What do you guys think? Again, don't judge the hair right now. Just take a quick look. I know part of the hair, part of the back is already reversing back to its natural state, but this is it. Especially this part right here. So for this area, I want it to fall towards the front, and over here, I want it to fall a little bit towards the back, like this. I'm spraying in water. Ouch. So next, I'm going to be going in with the homemade styling cream. Ooh. Here we go. And take a little bit of the styling cream. And I'm gonna apply it on the hair. From tip to bottom. And just working the product into the hair. Okay, I'm going to brush it through. Take a little bit of hair from the front. Okay, so this is the first one done. I'm gonna work on the next one. Okay, yeah. The way I'm twisting it is not working. I can brush it through again. Okay, when I planned this, I had it all planned out in my head and it was going all good. Like, now I don't know what's wrong. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to divide this into 2. This is not going to be, wow. What am I doing? Okay, I already started. I'm not gonna let that run. Okay. Okay, so I have this side done. It's not perfect. This side may not be super defined because of the way I did the twist. Anyways, I'm doing a lazy hairstyle. I just need to finish this right now. This is a lazy flat twist. No, let me say, I do not know. Don't want to say I don't know how to do flat twist. I feel like I don't know how to do flat twist on myself. It is difficult, okay? Now, this is something I need to work on. I need to work on I need to learn how to do flat twist on myself. Last time I did a flat twist on my own hair was years ago, when my hair was still short, and since then I've abandoned the flat twist. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it dry overnight. Okay, so here is the flat twist. This is the lazy flat twist. I'm hoping there will be some kind of definition, but the way I did the twist, I'm not sure. It's not properly done. My hands are stronger when it comes to braids, but not flat twist. I need to practice on how to do flat twist on my own hair. So that is my next project, learning how to do flat twist. So, okay. I'm gonna let this breathe for a bit before I go to bed. So when it's time to go to bed, I'm gonna tie a scarf around it to keep the hair intact. Alright, so it's been 5 days since I did the flat twist, and I've been rocking it like this since then. So it's now time to undo the twist. Alright, so to unravel the twist, I'm going to be going in with shea butter. I'm going to be applying a little bit of shea butter on my palm, and I'm gonna go into the hair. Oh, okay. Just gonna go rub it together, and I'm gonna apply it on the hair, just working it in. Perfect. So now I'm going to be unraveling the flat twist. Let's see. Alright, the color. But this is the first one I did. I think I put all my energy into doing the first one. Oh, let's see what we have. There's a little bit of definition. Let me zoom in. Right there, there is a bit of definition. Okay, it's not perfect, but there's something there. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel the rest off camera, and I'll come back once it's all done too. Okay, so this is what we have. Oh wow, okay. All right, I I want this part to fall towards the front, so I'm gonna try to work it. Okay, I know what I can do. I can spread a little bit of water on the roots to kind of help direct the hair. Okay. Oh, hold on. Might not need the water, but okay, I want it to fall towards the front like this. Not necessarily touching the skin, but okay. All right. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on the roots of the hair. Okay. Now, just gonna work it in. And also I'm hydrating the hair. Oh. Okay, now you see, it's falling towards the front. Nice, laying the way I want it to lay. Ooh, okay. All right, we have the first row done, so moving on to the next. Okay, doing the same thing. I'm gonna go through the line and then push it towards the direction. And I'm gonna go in with a spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on the roots and a little bit on the body of the hair. I don't want the hair drenched in water, just a little bit of water to hydrate it. Okay, gonna work it. I'm kind of massaging the water into the roots of the hair. So I'm gonna spray some water on this side as well, just to help me shape it the way I want. For this side, I don't want it falling towards the front, so I'm just gonna shape it a little bit away from the front of the hair. Go like that. I love it. Even though the coils are not as defined as I wanted it to be, but the whole style, the length of the hair, I am loving it. Oh my god. Okay. A little bit more here. Okay, that'll do it. I love it. I love it. Yes. And I can also pin it down like that. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Yes, please. I love it. Love, 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 love it. The length, the hair, it's just beautiful. Look at this. I need to keep my hands off my hair. I do this all the time with my hair. My hands are always in there looking for something. Always, all the time. Like, girl, leave the hair alone. Okay. Okay. So this is the final result right here. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I know I do. I love it. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, If you find this video helpful, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.